In this video, I will be showcasing the efficient capabilities of our Kubro solution and highlighting its cost-effectiveness. As mentioned in our previous video, the Kubro solution can significantly reduce the load on your data lake. Today, I will reveal the second reason why our solution is highly cost-efficient. To provide a detailed explanation of how our solution works, I will walk you through the schema of our system. On the left side we have the tap, a passive device that takes a little bit of light from the live link. This light is sent to the packet broker. This device converts the light back into packets. These packets are then aggregated if needed, and packet filtering can be done to reduce their number. Afterward, a load balancing mechanism distributes the packets to the NPU smart NIC cards, where the magic happens, converting packets into usable metadata. This metadata can be utilized for monitoring and security purposes, as it forms the basis of many use cases. These pictures show our solution installed in one of our customers' data centers, where it handles more than 1 terabit mobile user plan. The system only requires half a rack and consumes a fraction of the power of a pure server-based solution. Finally, the data is fed via Kafka to the customer's data lake. The right picture shows an open server with 8 NICs installed, where all the processing is done in the smart NICs. This circumstance makes the solution so efficient. But the most crucial question is, what are these data for? There are numerous of use cases which can be achieved with the metadata produced by our solution. Here are a few of them. Thanks for joining. For further details, please contact one of our sales offices around the world.